I'm gonna.
This house is just $2,000.
That's it?
Yeah.
Well, that's not bad. How much money do I have to put down?
80,000.
80,000. I think I can do that. 80,000 seems reasonable.
Hey, come on.
Okay.
Papa.
What?
Go.
Oh, okay, hang on. I just want to take one more shot. Look this way. Okay, I'm coming.